Well, here we are again. This is another panel I'm working on. This is the right-hand rear panel. You can see where I fiberglass that is all nice. That's not going anywhere. Nice and strong. So this is basically ready to put the cover on. So we'll get started here on doing that shortly. That fits on there pretty good. So I think we're ready to start doing some stretching and gluing here shortly.
I'll let that sit for a while, and then I'll come back and start doing some of the other areas.
Sounds good. That glue now needs to dry 20 minutes, and then we'll start putting this on. Maybe we'll get this done tonight. Maybe. I doubt it though. I'll probably put it on Sunday. Alright, another 20-minute dry time on this glue here. This makes it time consuming waiting for glue to dry. This is the next day and we're back to working on the panel. It looks pretty darn good. No complaints. Yeah, it looks good.
Of course, the
Ashtray will take care of that,
there.
yeah.
Looks good on that corner.
Alright, so this needs clamping.
Needs some clamping.
Then how long until I can install it?
I'm going to put some more glue on this corner to secure the vinyl. I'll be back in 10-15 minutes, and then it'll be ready to maybe cut the
Ashtray. Then I can poke all the holes and put it in the car.
That's correct.
All the screw holes. I gotta put those button snaps on too for the top. Alright, so I'll let that dry a couple hours though before I try and put it in the car. Cutting the ashtray hole. Try and hold this up and show it at the same time. Yeah, it looks really nice too. So I'm going to let the glue dry a while, maybe overnight, we'll see, and then I'll install that in the car. It's much easier to put those panels in with the top down, so away we go. right, now I'll get the back seat out and we'll put that panel in over there. I think it's going to look nice. Time to put the back seat in now. That looks really good. There we go. I put a little sound deadening. It's tucked up in there, and it's up there, and it comes right to the brace here. So that is all in, and will help deaden the noise of the mufflers are directly underneath that part of the floor pan if they show up under here. I know this doesn't do very good low light, but they're right there. One there and one there. There we go. Back seat is in. This came out really nice. You can see. This window works too. I still got to make the little pieces that go there. I'll do that when I get the material, but you can kind of see how it looks without the... We'll put the top boot on and see how that fits. But I just wanted to go around and video it before I put the top boot on. All right, I'm going to try the boot, see how it looks. Well, the top boot leaves a lot to be desired. I'm not happy with it all. I'm going to contact the company over it and see what they can do about it. This snap, you can see how far that is from lining up, and they're in elongated holes, and it's slid over as far as it can go, and it's still good 3/4 of an inch from meeting that snap. The same with that side. This one's exactly the same, maybe a little more. And this snap for the side cover here, that's off probably a good maybe 2 inches. Let me get a ruler. Just doing a quick measurement here. I come up with 1 3/4 off on this side. Let me measure the other side. This side's about 1 1/4 off. All right, I'll contact the people I got it from, because it just looks like heck, you know. I mean, look at this. It just doesn't look pretty at all. Putting the top boot right there so it kind of straightens out a little bit, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. See what they say when I talk to them about it. There we go. There's a view with the back seat with the top up. So it's all together and looks pretty good. I'm going to contact the people over the convertible top boot. It may look better in time, but the problem is 4 of the snaps don't even come near the buttons, and I might be able to do something to, they're like in a sleeve that they slide in. They slide about maybe 1/2 3/4 of an inch each way, so you can kind of adjust them in the channel they're in. Let me see if I can show you. See if I can unsnap this. Okay, see how they slide in a little backing. So I might be able to open some of that up more, like for that button. That one's just so far off though. It's really off. So, and then it would have to be, I don't know. I'm going to contact the people about it first before I do anything. I'm not going to bother re-snapping that because I got to put the top back up. But yeah, it's I kind of got some of the wrinkles out pulling it around with those elongated slots for the top buttons and whatnot, but it's got to look better than that, and it's got to snap on all the snaps. I'm just not happy with it. You pay that kind of money, I expect it to be right, to fit. If it was $20, okay, but it was an expensive kit. So anyway, I'm going to contact them like I say, and I'm going to wrap this video up so it's sitting in the back seat quite a ways to the dashboard from sitting in the back seat here, and I don't know if I'm going to start on the front seat tomorrow. The front seat is what I'm going to do next. I might wait until Monday. I've got some other things I want to do. If it's nice out, maybe I'll throw the battery in the Bel Air and take it out for a run. And if I do, I'll make a video on that. There's a 40% chance I'll do that. But, you know, don't count on it. But I might. But anyway, wrapping this video up. If you like it, definitely hit the like button. It certainly helps. If you want to subscribe to my channel, hit that 348 engine icon there that pops up. And thank you for watching my videos.